It's crafting time! Oh, whoa. What are you gonna...
That water... Why are they putting paper in water? That makes no sense.
They put water in it, in water, and...
They put water in the water and then?
I don't know, the draw was disappearing.
What's the point of this? Oh, it looks like an old treasure map. Ooh.
Whoa.
What are we making here, guys? Come on.
I have no idea.
Press sheets overnight.
I don't know, maybe it's a piece of wood, you know, when you press a lot of piece of...
Yeah, you can press the wood together, like for a skateboard or like for a, I don't know.
Yeah. But no, there
Jute
wasn't...
rope. I've never heard of jute rope before. Or jute rope. Alright.
Wow, I'm confused. But...
What are we doing? That looks cool. That looks like an ancient technique lost to the millennia, to the ages.
Still, it's some... diarrhea?
Blue? I don't think it's diarrhea, no. So
you don't think so, right?
No. It looks cool. It looks like a... I don't know why. I can't place exactly why it looks old, but it just looks old.
It's old.
Maybe the browns.
It's like some technique to create that book.
Oh, it looks, yeah, maybe like a book. Ooh, leather book.
Not book.
What do you think it could be then?
I mean,
It's definitely a book.
It's definitely
looks like a book. Maybe like a Da Vinci's journal. Oh, you know what they are? They're art thieves. So they want to steal Da Vinci's journal and replace it with a replica.
Oh,
that's
the idea.
That's the idea. Yeah. Yep.
What a mind you have.
Yeah.
Nice. Wow.
The doctors wouldn't let me play with the other kids. Okay, so we got a nice clock. That's cool.
Oh, but what about book? What's happening with that?
Maybe it's a clock book.
Oh, it's one of the props? What?
They're taking the face of the clock, they're putting it on the book, and they're calling it Facebook. That's it.
Think about it.
IQ 5,000,
yeah.
10,000 move. Alright.
Oh, it's still for decoration.
Oh, now it has like a cyberpunk
yeah,
aesthetic.
Wow, nice. I didn't see the final result, but I already
Ooh. But how are they like sticking them in to stay there, you know? Oh, that's nice. I feel like it's reversed.
It's reversed.
I wish it was like that in real life. Okay. It's got a belt.
Wow.
Ooh.
What a magic.
Very cool. It looks very cyberpunk. What do you write in that? You have to be designing new mechanical air blimps and
yeah, you can't put something, you know, some stupid thing in it.
I guess Panic at the Disco writes their songs in this one.
Whoa! With an oil?
Oh.
What is this?
This is getting weird.
Yeah.
Why? Oh no, the toes! 5-minute craft, stop it with the toes!
Oh, I feel this.
Ah! What the freak?
What?
What?
Salt?
So apparently,
they gonna mummify.
mummify. Exactly. This video is how you mummify someone in 2023. Oh no, poor lady. Is she okay?
Is it the? Yeah, really. Come on.
1 month later. I'm sorry. What?
I mean, of course, it's not true, right? It's
Ah, yes. It's a real
but
human
it
being.
looked kind of natural. I mean, believable.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're getting some wet toilet paper, wrapping it up.
It's how your skin looks after a month in the salt.
Yeah.
Ooh, dang.
Yeah, they used to get ancient Kleenex and just wrap it all up. It's nice. Ah, yeah, and they used to bury people with their pets as well. Especially if they were like, oh no! Oh my brain. Oh no! Stop it! Stop that! That's so. Why did you pick this video? Oh, I don't know if I can watch this. I'm feeling a little bit sick. Oh, that one.
Wow.
That was gross.
They showed it kind of.
Yeah.
Well.
And now they put all the organs of the pets in there. Oh no, that's not of the pets. That's of the person.
That's they're how I forgot. I mean, in a different.
Yeah, they put them in different things.
Yes, but how this thing's called? I mean, I don't know.
Like urns.
Urns.
Yeah, I think it's urns.
But there is a special gods or someone on top of it. The faces.
Oh yeah, they have the Egyptian gods on them. Yeah. You're right. Because otherwise, if the organs stayed inside, then the body would start smelling really bad. I think that's why they take out all the juices, all the organs, all the everything, and they just leave the dry, empty husk of your body. That's really, really nice.
What, the mask creating?
No, the husk. Okay, so now we're putting metal around it. I guess this is how they used to get the shape. Bang it around. Obviously not with tinfoil, but...
But wait a second, they used the the face were creating this.
They might have. They might have.
Wow, but it's not that strong to.
Ugh.
Okay.
It's going in the hair. I don't think they used this back in the day.
Yeah, I have doubts about it.
I mean,
Maybe
they had to
used
make
something
molds somehow.
Yeah.
So maybe.
Kind
Guys,
of.
let us know if you're Egyptologists.
Oh, and now they got a mask.
Ah.
Wow, it's a bunch of work.
That looks cool though. That's a good mask.
Yeah. Usually they from gold, right, or something like that.
Yeah, they would make them out of gold probably. It depends how like popular
Mm-hmm.
you are. Oh, Wolverine time. Okay. I didn't know the X-Men were employed by 5 Minute Crafts.
As you can see.
Okay. A little washi. What are we doing here?
To wash some seashells.
Ah, she sells seashells by the seashore.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. Ugh. Is that a
wow.
blobfish? What is that? Ah!
Jellyfish.
Oh, yeah, it's a jelly. No. What is it?
Oh, eggs.
This reminds me of those videos where there's like a fish that comes out. Is there a fish in there? Ooh.
What? What is this?
That looks. I don't know.
Don't kill it.
I feel like you should be buying a dinner first. Okay, sea mushrooms. Ooh, they squirt. Interesting. I feel like they put that there. Do you think they've just found a giant sea snail?
I have no idea.
It's kind of awesome.
It looks actually natural, no?
I feel like leave it where it was.
But it's
You know, like it was just chilling.
maybe. It could move, right?
Yeah,
By
it was
itself.
moving, yeah. It didn't need your help. It's an independent snail.
Yeah, just imagine he went out of sea.
Yeah.
In almost.
It took him
wish-
5 years to get out there and then he's like, oh, put it back. No, my whole life's work.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, okay.
What kind of fish is that? That looks like maybe a goat skull. Oh, it's something in the nose.
Something. What?
Something's in the nose. Ooh,
Is it? What was that?
it didn't really show. We got some more
Okay.
skulls and such.
That's. I wouldn't touch it.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I feel like there's some, ancient bacteria that's gonna cause another lockdown.
Yeah, please. We don't need it.
We don't need that. Thank you.
Yeah.
Leave everything where you found it. Don't put it in your mouth.
That's a rule which we need to.
Except that. That looks kind of tasty. I'd probably put it in my mouth.
So that's all this thing was happening
Yeah,
because
it's
of
my
people
fault.
like you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sorry. Sea salts. Ooh. Razor shell.
What?
What's a razor shell?
I don't know. I'm actually surprised how many.
They have so many things. Yeah.
Yeah, and so different, which I have never saw before.
Yeah. They pretty. Okay, we got some more shells.
So, okay, that's kind of fine.
Oh, I thought the eyes were gonna open.
No way.
Okay, now we have some paper, dipping it in green water. A little mixy roundy. All right, stack it up. Stack up them dollars. Fold it up.
Did you watch that movie, Mommy? With
Mommy?
Yes.
You mean the mummy?
Mom? Yeah.
Mommy.
Yeah, Mommy.
Do you guys watch Mommy?
Sorry for my pronunciation.
It's okay. I didn't watch the new one, but I watched the original.
The original.
With Brendan Fraser.
Yes.
That is the best. I watched it
Exactly.
back, and when I was a kid, I watched it. I loved it. But then I watched it recently, and I was thinking like, oh, maybe it's not as good as I remember, because sometimes that happens. It was better. It was so good.
Ah,
Yeah.
nice. After rewatching it was nice.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice. Good. It's also my favorite. And then actor, Brendan Fraser.
Yeah. He's the bomb.
Yeah.
He's like basically another Indiana Jones for me. Harrison Ford levels. Okay, it looks like we're making some kind of weird book. I don't know why.
To write the story.
Ah,
This person,
yes,
I
yes.
guess. Maybe.
Maybe it's like
But
a
is it-
ancient text.
Is it still continue of that video or it's another video?
I don't know. I think it's another video. So it's the ancient curses of Egypt.
okay.
Maybe, I don't know.
Wow.
That's the snake. Maybe. Lame. No metal. Lame. Okay.
But why they just didn't use that snake?
I don't know.
Where they
Maybe they want to make multiple snakes.
maybe. That's
So they made
that's
them
fair.
Okay, so
good
now
enough.
what?
Of
We're gluing it
course.
onto our thing. And now it looks cool. So it looks like a cool book.
Yeah.
I just don't know what it's for. Maybe a book of spells.
Or
Spell
maybe-
book.
I don't know.
I don't know. I like it though.
Wow. It looks like a skin. You have to see.
Yeah.
It just make me
Ugh.
yeah.
You're right. It does look like skin. I love it.
Okay.
Just kind of want to put it in my mouth. No. Not the skin. The book.
Put through my watching the videos.
That's a question you should ask yourself a long time ago. Anyway, so now we have a snake book.
Actually, I guess it's it's.
It looks like a book. I don't know how I feel about green pages. Do you like them?
I don't know. I mean,
Green.
I'm not
and-
against them,
Yeah,
but I'm not sure about them.
green and brown is kind of a cool color combination. It reminds me of like mint chocolate chip.
Green and brown.
Yeah. Okay, it's kind of cool for a book.
I guess so.
I'd give
Or
that
for
book out
your
of 10.
notes.
Yeah.
I don't know.